Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to cut and merge videos together using Google Photos on Android. To do this, open Google Photos, tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen, then tap on Highlight Video. Next, tap on Select Photos at the bottom of the screen. Now select the videos you want to merge. You can select up to 50 photos or videos. Tap Create. You can now tap on each video and select the section of the video you want to keep. For example, I want to keep the first 6 seconds of the first video. I also want to use the first 4 seconds of the second video. Now tap Save. It will take a few seconds for the process to complete. Now tap OK. When the process is complete, you will receive a pop-up message. All done. I now have my 10-second merged video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.